Organelles of a Cell by Stephanie Roberts. Number 1, we have your cell membrane. The cell membrane has 2 layers, an outer cell membrane and an inner cell membrane. The outer cell membrane is the nucleus envelope of the cell. This pink container is my cell. This is my outer cell membrane, the nuclear envelope, and this is the inner cell membrane here. The mitochondria, number 2. These are the mitochondria. Mitochondria have a double membrane structure. The cell itself gets energy from the mitochondria. My relational example is here, which is showing food that turns into ATP, which becomes energy currency of this cell to give it energy. As an example, we use our food to give us energy so we can vacuum and do that grueling workout. These are my mitochondria. This is processed through respiration to regulate cellular metabolism. Ribosomes is number 3. These little things here are my ribosomes. These are my free-floating ribosomes, and these are my bound ribosomes. Ribosomes help with protein synthesis and translation of messenger RNA that have 2 subunits. These subunits are the free ribosomes that float freely within the cytoplasm of the cell, or are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, which makes them bound. Bound ribosomes are exported to other cell locations. Here are my free-floating ribosomes, which would be there. And here are my bound ribosomes in the endoplasmic reticulum. Number 4, endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum has a rough endoplasmic reticulum and a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, some of the ribosomes engage and bind with them in order to move proteins. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for receiving packaging and shipping materials for making proteins and other substances. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum with the bound ribosomes. This is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Number 5, right here, these are the lysosomes. Lysosomes break down materials and digest molecules and can also digest dysfunctional mitochondria if they do not benefit the system. These here are lysosomes. Number 6, we have the nucleus. Nucleus contains DNA and the chromosomes for division and replication and are most densely packaged here. It also serves as the information and administration center of the cell. This is the nucleus, and here are some DNA representation. Number 7 is the nuclear membrane. Here is the nuclear membrane, number 7. The nuclear membrane is responsible for separating the nucleus from the cytoplasm that surrounds it. So here is the nucleus membrane. We have number 8, which is the nucleolus. Here's the nucleolus. The nucleolus makes or produces ribosomes. Here's some ribosomes that the nucleolus is making. And here's your nucleolus. Number 9. These are the Golgi bodies, or also known as the Golgi complex. Number 9. The Golgi bodies or Golgi complex found in the eukaryotic cells that package proteins into vesicles before the vesicles have been sent down the highway. My relational example is here. We have the receiving department of the endoplasmic reticulum, and they receive it. They can either add or take away information, and that's where they modify the package. And this is the vesicle, and this is shipping. Here we have the items that need to be modified, either added to or taken away, and they're being packaged in here. And then they are added to the shipping container so it can be moved wherever it needs to go. And finally, we have cytoplasm at number 10. This is your cytoplasm. Cytoplasm holds the organelles in place and is a jelly-like substance called protoplasm. Here is my representation of the cytoplasm. It wasn't big enough to go throughout the entire cell, but this is our cytoplasm that holds all of our organelles into place. Thank you for listening to my information video on organelles of a cell. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.